In this video, we'll look at question 6 from the second paper of the 2017 exam. In this question, we get given a sequence, which is defined in a somewhat unusual way, in that not only do we have the first term and a recursive formula for un in terms of un minus 1, but also this recursive formula is in fact in terms of an integral of the previous term. So this looks actually quite complicated, and every integral is probably going to be different depending on the value of un minus 1. But the key thing here to realize is that every un is a definite integral. And all definite integrals, which run from a number to another bound, the upper bound, they are just numbers. This is going to be a real number like 5 or pi. So inside the integral now, we have two things, 4 and un minus 1, which are just constants. They are numbers. And they can be pulled out in front of the integral, just like this. And why is that good news? Well, because un minus 1, the kind of variable term, now isn't inside the integral, but just as a constant in front of it. So we can evaluate the integral. It now doesn't depend on n at all. And this will be x squared divided by 2 from 0 to 1 is 1/2. In other words, un is 4 times 1/2 is 2, un minus 1. So the first term is 1, then we have 2 times 2, 4, 8, 16, and you can probably see the pattern already. Un is 2 to n, which means that u of 1000 is going to be 2 to the power of 1000. And that's our final answer, and in the exam, it was option A.